Welcome to Service Fridays at Lewis. In advisory, each Friday through November, we will be learning about service. The Lewis Legacy Project began in your English class, where you learned about the life of John R. Lewis through reading his graphic novels. Today, we are taking inspiration from Lewis's life of service and considering how our Lancer community can make a difference.
Service can come in a lot of different forms. It can be the commitment of a lifetime or just a decision in a single second. Service can look like many different things. It can be giving your time and resources to an organization or simply helping a friend or neighbor. During our Service Fridays, we'll be exploring different ways to be of service. And today, we're going to be of service by the simple act of folding a piece of paper.
In the 1950s, cranes became a symbol of hope and resilience, starting with Sadako Sasaki, who folded 1,000 while sick with leukemia. At the age of only 2, Sadako and her family were bombed during World War II in their town of Hiroshima, Japan. Today, 1,000 cranes symbolize hope, belonging, and connection amongst both those who receive them and those who make them. Our goal as students is to make 1,000 cranes to symbolize our collective effort and power, and those cranes will be on display here at Lewis High School.
Hey Lancers, together we can do great things.
Juntos podemos hacer la diferencia.
Together we can make a difference.
Lancers, let's see what happens when we work together.